been there 25 years. And to me, the Khalsa Dewas is it's very traditional for you. And to me, I wish it would spread across the nation. It is a event that I believe everybody should learn, because we have lost traditions and you guys have not. You guys have kept your traditions, and that is important to your community as well as it should be important to all communities around. I wish that a piece of America could take what your guys' culture is and take this in the hand and learn from it, because there'd be so much less in the world and problems we had if people understood what you guys show and how this day is huge for you guys. I'm just an honor to be here. Chief is sorry she can't make it. Like they said, the city's getting bigger and bigger, and she's been pulled from every location. So I am honored to be here. My motors are honored to be here. The horse-mounted guys are excited about being here. The invitation from everybody is just huge, and we can't thank you enough to allow us to be able to participate in your guys' day.